waterfall chart, then almost all people do not get how to use this waterfall chart, right? So this is how you use a waterfall chart where I'm showing the sum of Oscars win by decades and different certificates. Where in the category I'm taking decade and breakdown, I'm breaking down it with the certificate. So let me delete this and let's start from the start. So this is a waterfall chart. What I will do in the category, first of all, I wanted to show the box office collections, right? Let's say box office collections, some of box office collections in decades. So if I just go on the decade, then you can see this is the total. So what I will do, I will go and I will just turn on this labels. So if you see there is this 200 and 2010, then 2000, 1990s, 1980s, and if you just do addition of all these, for example, if you just add 2010, which is 91 billion, and then 85 billion, then 45 billion, then 19 billion, then you will get the result as 240 or 239 billion, right? This is a total. So this total is now breaking down into the decades. Now what I want to break it more down into certificate, right? Or the countries, let's say country, right? If I click on the country, then for 2010 this is the overall total, which is 91 billion, and out of these United Kingdom is having the most higher number here, right? So instead of countries, what we can do, we can just take the certificate, right? I will just put the certificate in the breakdown here. Yeah, so certificate you can see here. So with this certificate we can see that how this breakdown is working, right? How the overall total is there and how it's like increasing or decreasing. So for example, you see all these green waterfalls, green boxes. This means that the sum of box office is above by 52%, right? And if you see on the red boxes, then it is negative by 18 point something percent. So the green one is the profit one and the red one is the loss one. So this is how you show a different breakdown with the different categories in the waterfall chart. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.